Hello everyone and welcome back to my crochet channel. Today we will make a cute rabbit and carrot keychain, a lovely accessory for your bag, backpack, or keys, and also a perfect handmade gift. Prepare 2.5mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and remember to watch until the end because your support motivates us to create more crochet tutorials. First, we start with the rabbit ears. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the yarn tight to close the circle. Great start. Tip: tightening the magic ring helps keep the ear neat and firm. Next, round 2, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this 3 times to get 9 stitches. You're doing great. Tip: use a stitch marker to easily track your rounds. For rounds 3 to 5, crochet 9 single crochets around for each round. Nice and steady. Keep your tension even so the ear looks smooth. Now make another ear the same way. Now we move to the rabbit head. For round 6, join the 2 ears together and crochet 18 single crochets around. Make sure both ears are aligned nicely before joining. Next, round 7, crochet 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, repeat 6 times to get 24 stitches. Great progress. For round 8, crochet 24 single crochets around. Keep the stitches relaxed and even. Next, round 9, crochet 3 single crochets and 1 increase. Repeat 6 times for a total of 30 stitches. The rabbit head is starting to take shape. For rounds 10 to 13, crochet 30 single crochets around for each round. Wonderful work. Tip: adjust the ears gently so they stay upright while you crochet. Next, we begin decreasing. For round 14, crochet 3 single crochets, then 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times. Tip: invisible decreases will make your stitches look cleaner. For round 15, crochet 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet. Repeat 6 times. The head is almost finished. Next, round 16. Crochet 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times around. Great job, the rabbit head is now complete. Now, let's crochet the carrot. For round 1, make a magic ring with 6 single crochets and pull tight. Next, round 2, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 3 times to get 9 stitches. For round 3, crochet 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet. Repeat 3 times to reach 12 stitches. For rounds 4 to 6, crochet 12 single crochets around for each round. Keep your stitches slightly tight so the carrot keeps its shape. Next, round 7, crochet 6 decreases, then finish with a slip stitch. The carrot body is done. Now we make the carrot leaves. Start with a magic ring, then repeat chain 3, 2 single crochets, slip stitch 3 times into the ring. Pull tight to close. And that's it. Your rabbit and carrot keychain is finished. Attach a keyring and it's ready to decorate your bag or keys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your crochet friends. Watching until the end really supports our channel and helps us create more tutorials. See you in the next video.